I will be discussing is the embryo research to reduce need for in vitro fertilization raises ethical concerns. So, the purpose of the study was to try and find a way to help couples who carry the gene for certain inherited diseases to have healthy babies. In addition to having couples avoid transmitting a genetic disease to their children, this experiment also offered an alternative way for lesbian couples to share the experience of having a baby as well. So during this experiment, they gathered a dozen young women to get artificially inseminated so their embryos could be flushed out of their bodies and analyzed for research purposes. The women had also received hormone injections to stimulate their ovaries to produce eggs, but instead of having eggs extracted through a needle from their ovaries and fertilized in the lab, the women in the study were inseminated by sperm. And 4 to 6 days later, the woman underwent a procedure known as lavage, which involved using a specialized device to flush out any resulting embryos from the womb. And this experiment was unethical because the women were bribed with $1,400, and the women were also injected with powerful hormones to stimulate their ovaries, which can pose for some health risks. In addition to this, some of the women underwent surgical or chemical abortions afterward, when tests indicated some of the embryos might not have been successfully removed.